Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bybit in America, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin registering with Bybit in America, open your preferred web browser. Type bybit.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to. After entering your email, create a strong password. Ensure the password meets the security criteria provided on the screen. Once you have filled in the required fields, check the box to agree to the terms of service. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Bybit. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Bybit website and click on Login. Enter your email and newly created password, then follow the on-screen instructions to set up two-factor authentication. Next, navigate to the Account section on the main dashboard. Here, you may need to complete your KYC, Know Your Customer, verification. Prepare to upload a valid government-issued ID and any required documents. Follow the prompts to submit your identification for verification. Once your documents are approved, your account will be fully operational. You can now deposit funds and start trading on Bybit. Remember to review the platform's features and familiarize yourself with the interface. Congratulations, you are now registered with Bybit and ready to explore cryptocurrency trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.